Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to tell you a true story from Japan. It is not the story of a king, a soldier, or a businessman. It is the story of a small dog whose loyalty touched millions of hearts around the world. As you listen, you will improve your English and learn a beautiful lesson about love, trust, and loyalty. Now, let's begin. Many years ago, in Japan, there lived a kind university professor named Hachiko Ueno. He loved animals, especially dogs. One day, he brought home a small Akita puppy. The little puppy was named Hachiko. From the very first day, Hachiko followed Professor Ueno everywhere. He waited outside the kitchen while the professor ate. He sat quietly while the professor read books. At night, he slept near the front door, ready to welcome his best friend every morning. As Hachiko grew older, he created a special daily routine. Every morning, he walked with Professor Ueno to Shibuya Station. There, he watched the professor board the train to work. Then, Hachiko returned home. Every afternoon, just before the train arrived, he came back to the station and waited patiently for his friend. When Professor Ueno stepped off the train, Hachiko happily ran toward him, wagging his tail with excitement. This beautiful routine continued every day. People at the station smiled whenever they saw them together. They became a familiar and heartwarming sight. But one spring afternoon, something unexpected happened. Professor Ueno suddenly became seriously ill while teaching at the university. Sadly, he passed away. He never returned to Shibuya Station. That evening, Hachiko arrived at the station as usual. He waited quietly beside the entrance. One train arrived, then another. Passengers came and went. The sun slowly disappeared, but Professor Ueno never came back. Hachiko finally returned home. The next day, he came back to the station again, and the day after that, then the next. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Still, Hachiko waited. Many people tried to take care of him. Some even gave him a new home. But every afternoon, he escaped and returned to the same place at Shibuya Station. Deep inside his heart, he believed his best friend would return one day. The station workers noticed his loyalty. Shop owners gave him food and water. Passengers greeted him with gentle smiles. Children loved to sit beside him. Everyone knew Hachiko was waiting for someone who would never return. Years passed. The little puppy became an old dog. His fur slowly turned gray. His steps became slower. But his heart never changed. Every single afternoon, he walked to the station and waited with the same hope. One day, a newspaper published Hachiko's story. Soon, people across Japan learned about the faithful dog at Shibuya Station. Many visitors traveled long distances just to see him. Some brought him food. Some gently patted his head. Others simply stood beside him in silence. They were deeply moved by his endless loyalty. For almost 10 years after Professor Ueno's death, Hachiko continued waiting at the station every day. Then, one quiet morning in 1935, Hachiko peacefully passed away near the place where he had spent so many years waiting. The news spread across Japan. People felt as if they had lost a dear friend. Thousands remembered the little dog who never stopped believing. Today, a beautiful bronze statue of Hachiko stands outside Shibuya Station in Tokyo. Every day, people from around the world visit the statue. Some take pictures, some leave flowers. Some quietly remember the dog who taught the world that true loyalty has no limits. Professor Ueno never returned, but Hachiko never stopped loving him. His story reminds us that real love does not disappear when life becomes difficult. Real loyalty stays, even when there is nothing to gain. In today's busy world, many friendships last only as long as they are convenient. Many people forget those who once helped them, but Hachiko showed us something different. He never asked for rewards. He never expected anything in return. He simply loved with all his heart. That is why, even after so many years, people still remember his name. His story is not famous because he was a dog. His story is famous because he showed a level of loyalty that many humans dream of having. Perhaps true loyalty is not measured by words. Perhaps it is measured by the decision to stay, to care, and to remember, even when life changes. That is the reason Hachiko's story continues to inspire millions of people around the world. Moral of the story: true loyalty does not depend on time, distance, or reward. When we truly love and care for someone, our actions speak louder than our words. I hope you enjoyed today's story and learned something meaningful while improving your English. If Hachiko's loyalty touched your heart, please like this video and share it with your friends. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more inspiring English stories. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next story. Goodbye.